ASAP General Contracting. We are working on a pool today, and we are applying some mastic, which is adhesive, onto the pool body. And here is how ugly the pool is. It is a frog pond, but sometime tomorrow or Friday we're going to excavate all of this. All this is going to be gone. Basically right now we're trying to get a thin, these tiles are only a 1/4 of an inch thick, so if you use too much adhesive it'll squirt through. That's pretty much our first piece there. Seems to be holding very nicely. You don't have to be perfect when working with pool tile. Most of the time it's going to be underwater. It's not like a backsplash where everybody's going to be looking at it, but that is the view of it. And again, that's ASAP General Contracting, 904-346-1266. And we'll send you some more videos in a minute, but basically that's our first piece of tile. And thanks for watching our videos.